Hi, this is Vanessa DeBurle, and today we're going to talk about how to make money online, and we're going to navigate a site called JVzoo. JVzoo offers a site for vendors as well as affiliates to come and either sell their products, for affiliates to market them for them, and they give a commission, or you could go in as an affiliate and sell the products for other people where you earn a commission. JVzoo has digital products, so that's something that makes them unique. And typically, when you market digital products, typically you're going to make 30 to 50% commission. So the commission rates are typically higher. So let's go ahead and explore the site and see what they have. Maybe this is for you. When you get into JVzoo, they're going to ask you to do a free sign up. You can't go in and explore. You do have to sign up with an email and a password. Once you sign up, they're going to ask you to verify your account. They just simply send you an email and you have to verify it, and then you're back in. Well, then you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and they want you to select a payment method, which means when you're an affiliate, they want to know, where do you want us to send your money when you earn it? Now, you may be sitting there thinking, well, I don't even know if I want to do this. I don't want to, fill all this out. I understand, but I do want to show you all of the different payment gateways that they use. I personally use Stripe. So that is here. It's one that I use. Some people, when they first start out, they like to try to use PayPal, but I have had many people tell me not to use PayPal. So that is your choice, but these are very, very easy to set up. You don't have to set them up if you're just exploring. That's the point I want to make. I want you to go up here under products, and let's go under launch list. Launch list is basically some of the newer products that JVzoo has recently that have been launched. Notice here, these are some sales that were, they say they're less than 10 less than 10. So they're new products. So you may want to be the person that wants to go in and launch some new products, see what's out there. And this is where you would find them. Now, honestly, Facebook Messenger bot marketing, that is pretty hot right now. Personally, I see that as one that if I were going to choose from this list, that would be one that I definitely would choose. Another area that you can look at is Marketplace, and I've already pulled that up right here. Under Marketplace, they have different categories that you can look at. What's hot, what's some top sellers that are down here. So these are some of the ones that have been successful. So if you want to pick something that you're pretty sure that will sell, it's already had some success, then you want to go under the Marketplace for that. We can also go under top sellers. And these are top sellers by the last 7 days. Then you can slide down and you can get top sellers just from yesterday and then the past 7 days. So, you're going to have to figure out, what is it that I want to promote? What's the data on the site? I want to go ahead and pull one up just to give you an idea, to show you what they offer you. Let's just go to the top one. It's called JVzoo. I've never even looked at it. And let's look at the affiliate details. They're going to tell you here how much money they will give you. There you go. The product sells for $79. Your commission is 50%. Now you have to request permission to sell the product. They can refuse to let you sell it. They may look at some of your past experience. You may say there in the request that I'm new. This is my first time. I'm excited, help guide me. I don't know what I'm doing. And they may just say, hey, I'd be happy to help this person. So anyway, you do apply. And again, as you can see, that one was 50%. Let's pick another one. Traffic Jacker Pro, affiliate details. And again, 50%. It's a lower a cost item. Sometimes if you sell things between like $15 to $40, you typically can sell more. Obviously, you're not going to make as much money as opposed to selling $1,000 training, but you're going to sell more and you'll see success faster. So it is advised to try to sell those lower ticket items in the beginning, so you see that success and you get excited about it. Now let's go back and look at that same item. My Traffic Jacker Pro. I'm going to go ahead and click the item. This is where you're going to see all the information that they will give you. They'll give you the copy, the webinars, everything that you need to go out and promote the product will pop up here. And there you go. This is all the copy is done for you. And this will all be available to you so that you can put this on your own website or into your own funnel. This is actually a funnel here. They take payments, everything. So hopefully that was helpful to you. If you're starting out new, definitely this is one thing that you can look at is digital marketing. Down below, I do have a, if you're looking for a funnel or website that you want to build to put your products on, I do have a 14-day free trial below. Go ahead and check that out. And you can see what kind of platform that you want to use to promote your products. All right, until the next video, I'll see you later.